Hi viewers, today we are going to discuss about World Environment Day and environmental benefits by gardening. Every year Environmental Day is celebrated on 5th June. This year theme was ecosystem restoration. United Nations Assembly established World Environment Day. This was celebrated for the first time in the year 1974 with the theme Only One Earth. The restoration of the ecosystem can only happen with measures including planting of trees, greening cities, cleaning up rivers and coasts, and rewilding gardens. The ongoing pandemic has reminded mankind of the harm we have caused to the nature and how important to protect the environment. What is ecosystem? An ecosystem is a community of plants and animals interacting with each other in a given area and also with their non-living environment like weather, earth, sun, soil, climate and atmosphere. What is ecosystem restoration? Ecosystem restoration means preventing, healing and reverting this damage to go from exploiting nature to healing the nature. Restoration can happen in many ways. For example, through actively planting trees, through that nature can recover on its own. How can ecosystem be restored? All kinds of ecosystem can be restored, including forests, farmlands, cities, wetlands, and oceans. Restoration initiatives can be launched by almost anyone, from governments and developmental agencies to business communities and individuals. Gardening and plantation will play main role in restoration of ecosystem. So everyone's responsibility to grow few plants in every home. So viewers, now we are going to discuss about environmental benefits by gardening, through which we can give back to environment by plantation and gardening. First point is it can control air and noise pollution through gardening. Plants has the capability to absorb harmful chemicals from the air, through which they can reduce air pollution and they will give us clean air. You have to grow air purifying plants like snake plant, peace lily, aloe vera and money plant at your home to absorb and remove air pollutants like benzene, toluene, formaldehyde, xylene, carbon monoxide, trichloroethylene, ammonia and carbon dioxide. Through inhaling clean air, we will not get lung infections. Nowadays in pandemic, we are suffering with lung infections. If you want to get through these type of problem, you have to maintain a garden. Role of gardening in noise pollution. Tree parts such as stem, leaves, branches and woods absorb sound waves, through which they can reduce noise pollution. Thick, rough bark and fresh leaves particularly most efficient for sound absorption due to dynamic surface area of them. Increase oxygen level by gardening. By growing plants like snake plant, peace lily, aloe vera and pothos in your indoor garden, where nowadays we don't have much space, we can increase oxygen levels in our surroundings, which is very important in this pandemic. These plants produce oxygen 24/7. Nowadays, everyone is getting respiratory disorders due to polluted air and high level of carbon dioxide in the air. Through plantation, you can increase the oxygen level at your home. Gardening helps to reduce global warming effect. Carbon dioxide is the main culprit for global warming. Plantation is the only source with which we can decrease carbon dioxide levels and we can decrease temperature as well. Most of the plants have the capability to absorb harmful chemicals from the groundwater, so plants can reduce groundwater pollution. Plantation can prevent soil erosion. Gardening can support beneficial insects and birds. Many indoor air purifying plants can absorb radiation. Through gardening, you can grow your own vegetables in your garden, which have no chemicals in it. Through gardening, you can spend time with nature and you will get fresh air, physical exercise, mental peace, and eye relaxation. On the occasion of World Environment Day, it is essential for all to realize that every little deed matters when it comes to saving the environment. No matter how small step you are taking to lead a greener lifestyle, it does make a difference. Thus, we have the World Environment Day, which serves as reminder to protect the environment at all costs. All the resources of nature, from forests to ocean and soil to air, we must conserve. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Shah's Garden Tech. Thank you.